and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything that is going to be in my little one's Easter basket. Now, disclaimer, I'm not talking on behalf of the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny, he or she, I'm not sure, is the Easter Bunny a boy or a girl? Anyways, it doesn't matter. But the Easter Bunny, I'm sure, is going to bring Ava a little basket of treats, probably full of chocolate. But Mommy and Daddy, we like to give Ava some Easter treats of our own. And this year, I'm going with kind of a theme. And the theme is outdoor activities. It has been a long, cold winter, and I want my little one to get outside and play and have fun. So I visited our local drugstore, which is Shoppers Drug Mart if you are from Canada, and also our local dollar store, which is Dollarama. And so I have a collection of fun goodies here that the whole family and Ava can have fun playing with. But before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela, and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, lifestyle, and homemaking. So I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And also remember to click that like, share, subscribe, and notification bell. Okay, let's get into this video. So, what is an Easter basket? And what is springtime without a hula hoop? I think I kind of got this more for me than I did for Ava. So this is from our dollar store, and I think this was $1. So who has so many good memories, I'm not being able to do it here, woo, of playing with their hula hoop? They had so many bright fun colors, and I know that she will have a blast doing this. Okay, now my little one is frozen crazy. So her 4th birthday is actually the week after Easter, so I may actually save some of these gifts for her birthday, but I thought that I would give you guys some ideas anyway. So our dollar store had a huge, like humongous selection of frozen toys. So I thought that I would show you a couple things. So first of all, we have a big garden and we are getting really excited for gardening season. So this little watering can I thought was so incredibly sweet. This was $3.50, so a little bit pricier. However, Ava loves her independence. She loves watering. So we're gonna start seed soon and start watering our flowers. So I know this will come in very handy. Okay, next up from the dollar store is this fun frozen frisbee. Ava's getting really good at like catching a ball and throwing. So I thought that playing with this frisbee would be fun. So this was $4. Okay, then a kite. Now, I also went to Walmart and I was kind of kicking myself because Walmart had a humongous selection of kites, but I already got this for Ava from their dollar store. So this was a frozen kite. They had so many different brands from Paw Patrol. I think there was a Peppa Pig, Frozen, there is Disney. I stuck with the Frozen theme, so this was $4, and I know that she will absolutely love this. I'm kind of excited too. I think I secretly got some of these things so that Mirek and I can play with them outside because let's be honest, winter has been long and Mama needs some sunshine. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this. A windmill! Okay, this is just so nostalgic. I remember my Nana would always get me a little windmill every springtime, so I had to get one for Ava to put in our garden. This was $3.50. It's huge. They had so many different colors, and I thought this was just incredibly sweet. Okay, next up. Now this was from our drugstore. Ava loves PlayDoh. She will sit at our kitchen table, which is a lifesaver, especially when I'm cooking dinner or if I'm on a phone call for work. If I set her up with like a little station of PlayDoh, she will sit there for like a solid hour. Now, she has a baby shark, she has a kitchen Play-Doh set, she has so many, but she saw this the other day, so I snuck it in my basket, and it is the Peppa Pig Play-Doh set, and I know she will go wild for this. Okay, and then sticking with Play-Doh, this was from our local Shoppers Drug Mart as well. It's this cute little Play-Doh spring egg set. Now, Ava, the reason why I'm not doing a lot of chocolate and candy is because she got so much at Christmas time and Valentine's and you know what, I'd rather her be a little bit more active right now. I know that all of her family will probably get her lots of chocolate, so mom and dad don't need to give her more chocolate as well. That's probably just gonna go to waste or to mommy's waste. And we don't need any of that. So I thought that I would go with more the active route, but these little Play-Doh eggs, I thought that they were so sweet, and plus I love the colors of them. Okay, next up, let's talk about coloring books. So you know the dollar store, they have so many great activity books and coloring books. This is a Frozen color and play sticker set. So it's an activity book, there's colors, lots of things to do. I can even use some of these activities in here for preschool. So this will be a win for sure. Okay. A Frozen beach ball. So in the summertime, we will set up our pool, and Ava loves splashing about in our pool with a beach ball. So this will come in handy. And plus, like, come on, all this Frozen Disney stuff, this is awesome. Okay. I think this is my last Frozen thing, but I thought this was so cool. Look at this. It's a jumbo chalk set for sidewalk chalk. Now, Ava loves playing with chalk outside, so I thought that this would be super cute. So you get Elsa, Anna, Olaf, and Sven in these little giant chalk holders, and I think that she will have a blast doing this. And this was $4. Okay, now off to more activities. What is an Easter basket without bubbles? Now, Ava has a lot of bubble sets outside. However, mommy got a couple more. So she really likes Paw Patrol, and I saw this and I thought that would be cute. A little Paw Patrol bubble mitten, which I thought would be really sweet for her. Then she absolutely loves her bubble wands. Now, I have seen bubble wands everywhere, from the drugstore to Walmart, our grocery store, Dollarama, but you know what? You cannot beat the price of Dollarama. Also, note, I have tried a few different brands of bubbles, and I actually find that the bubbles from the Dollarama wands are better. So I got this 5-pack for $4. So a 5-pack of bubble wands for $5. This will not go to waste. Okay, next up, a little Easter egg squishy toy. Now, I would call this like a stress ball, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna disclaimer, my little one, she's not perfect. And you know what? We all know that toddlers, especially 3-4-year-olds, they can have their times of frustration. I don't like calling it a temper tantrum, but they can have those. So I thought this would actually be good for her. If she's like upset or frustrated, she can squeeze it, and then maybe it'll help her calm down, or maybe it'll help mom and dad calm down too. But I thought this was really cute. Okay, next up, a little streamer for her to run and play with and like wave it in the air. She loves pretending to be a princess and dress up, so I thought that she would love this. Okay, now this I know Ava and her daddy are gonna love, and then I also know that me and Mirek are gonna love this. Mirek and I love going golfing, and we haven't been able to do it for quite some time, well, especially right now, but it's this little Hippo Golf Set. It's called Feed the Hippo. So I thought this would be really sweet. She has to try and get the golf ball in the Hungry Hungry Hippo, and so I know that her and her daddy will love doing this, and so will mommy. Okay, next up, is this little light up bunny puffer toy. So you shake it and then it lights up. So I know Ava, she loves stuff like this. Okay, then this reminded me of being a kid. This is a toss and catch set. So we're really working with Ava with her hand-eye coordination. So I thought this would be really fun. Ava and Mirek really like to go outside and do a lot of activities like this. I like to get in on the fun as well, but I am no athlete. Just ask all of my cousins, my aunties, and my uncles. I am not good at running. I can't catch a ball very well, and I fall upstairs. But dancing, no problem. Ask me to walk up the stairs, can't do it. I've fallen through screen doors before, so I'm gonna leave the hand-eye coordination to Mirek, and I'll just sit on the sidelines. Okay, next up is this little racquetball game set. You know what, so sweet. I picked it for the colors because I thought the colors were nice and summery in springtime, but she loves stuff like this as well. Oh, and this, I'm gonna tell you the prices. This was $4, and then, boop, the Hippo was $4, and then this Racquetball, oh, $4. So it looks like all of these little activity games are $4. Okay, last couple things. Ooh, a magnifying glass. Now, Ava has a little explorer's kit that we got for her last summer that she can explore bugs, but her magnifying glass has lots of scratches on it. So I got her a new one because she loves looking for like ladybugs and bumblebees. So this was $1.50. I thought you couldn't beat that price. Okay, then this is so cute. Little hopscotch ring set. So this was $4. Look at all of these colors. Ava loves, she loves playing hopscotch, so I'm always setting it up for her, but I thought this would be way easier. So, super cute. Okay, then the last thing, so is a little fishing set. So last summer, Merrick actually ordered Ava a little fishing set just like this off of Amazon, and we set up the fishies in her little kiddie pool and she would fish all summer long. Obviously, it wasn't the most expensive set, so like this is $3. So I know it's not going to last very long, but she would play with this all day, every day. I swear, Ava's like me. When I was a little girl, I would do this too. If you gave me like a bucket of water and soap, I would play for hours. She's the same. So if we're outside and I just set up like a little pool of like shallow water, and she will stay and try and catch these fishies all day long. So you guys have a Dollarama and a little one, go find this. Okay, then obviously to put everything in, I just got this little basket. And how much was this basket? This little plastic basket was $4, which is great. You know, as moms, we can always use these baskets to not only put toys in, but what I do is I have one of these in every room, and then as toys start to migrate to our living room or the kitchen, we put it all in here, and then everything's in one place for me to take back to the other room and encourage Ava to put away. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that this little Easter basket haul gave you some ideas that you don't necessarily just have to give your little ones treats and chocolates. Get them some activities to take them outside. Like I said, activities like bubble wands, 5 for $4. You cannot beat this. They're activities that can really please the entire family. Get outside, enjoy that sunshine, and happy Easter from my family to yours. I'm wishing you a lovely springtime season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.